Hey guys, it's Celebrate2223 Gaming here, and today I'm going to play some survival with my friend Devin in his world, and he's murdering a horse right now. What a shame. You're mean. No,
I need to do it.
no,
I
you
need
do
to
not
do
need
it.
to do
Okay.
that.
They're in my home. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, this is going to be more of a tiny survival mall, but.
Anyway,
not
so
really
we're
small.
working on a chicken farm right now, which is this thingy, and it's going along pretty well. But I must say, it's had its ups and downs.
Yep.
A lot.
Took like 3 minutes to get
It
one
took
chicken
like 20 minutes to get it.
Get a chicken in.
To get one chicken in. But then it took like 2
And I beat them
minutes
again.
to get 2 baby chickens in, so now we know how to do it. Oh crap,
Yep.
I'm low in health.
Oh, dude, we got another egg.
We're gonna make another video of battles.
A little bit.
And a little bit after
Dude,
this.
I got a lucky egg. All these eggs are lucky because I just got a lucky egg and I had a baby chicken. So we got 4 chickens.
Really?
Yeah, 4 chickens.
Go get some wheat seeds and you can make them grow faster.
Dude, I am. I'm making a wheat farm right now. Working on it. Dude, if we go to my house in a minute.
Dude, I know where you should put all
um,
your diamonds. You should put all your diamonds in that underwater place.
Huh?
You should put all your diamonds in that underwater place.
Yeah, but dude, okay. Make sure you edit out the place where the underwater place, okay?
Okay.
I don't want people knowing where it is.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can edit it out.
If they do send me a friend request, I do not want them to know where the secret base is.
Actually, I have a YouTube world for my subscribers, dude.
Yeah, I know you do. That's why I'm gonna make one of my own. Actually, I'm working on it right now. It's gonna be called.
Oh, dude, you can join mine. You just have to put your name on the YouTube wall.
Yep, I know. I'm gonna get it. I need to.
I haven't showed you that world yet. I need to show you that. I made a subscriber counter.
That's cool.
It took like 5
when
years.
When my account gets fixed. On my phone. On my phone.
If you ever put music on your videos,
so I'm gonna get my own computer soon.
Edit them. Yeah, I mean you have to like give.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get my own Elgato. I'm gonna get my own Elgato.
Okay.
I'm gonna have my YouTube. Right when I post videos on like Minecraft.
If my phone was still jailbroken, I could have recorded videos of my MCPE.
Yeah, my phone isn't iOS, so it can't get jailbroken.
Yes, it can.
My phone gets root. No, only iOS phones can get jailbroke, and if it's Android, it's called root. Your phone basically gets root.
Okay.
So if you have something like Apple or anything other than Android, if it's not Android, then it's like iOS.
Okay,
then it's called getting it's jailbroke. Okay. If you have like an iPod or iPhone or anything made by Apple, that's basically called iOS. Okay.
Oh, I know.
They run on iOS terms and stuff, like iOS kind of stuff,
Yes.
But
yep.
if you're Android, it's called root.
Oh, okay, I get it now. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can't root. Oh my god, I hit the chicken. Poor chicken. Yeah, I hope you know what I mean. If you want to say how to jailbreak an Android, that's like impossible because it's called root. Yeah, I made a video because my phone was rooted at that time, and then my account worked. And I tried to upload it. Didn't work.
Yeah. Well, do you have a computer?
Yep. Yeah, I'm getting one.
Yeah, dude, then just use that. It's a lot easier
I'm gonna get a computer. But I need to get an Elgato.
Yes, definitely get that because don't ever post it right away onto your YouTube channel because it gives you an option. Save it to your computer hard drive. So then you can like.
What do you mean it gives me an option?
Yeah, it gives you an option. Save it onto your computer hard drive. So then you can So then it's easier to edit once you're done with it because then it's not posted right away. And you can add music and stuff pretty easily.
yeah, I know all about
So
that.
just
like,
don't,
how to
just
get
don't
lighting
like
up.
post it right away. Just save it to your
Yeah,
hard
no,
drive.
I know that, dude. Yeah, I know. But that's when I'm getting my own computer, okay? And when I get my own computer, I'm gonna try and like, yeah, when I get my own computer and so what I'm trying to get for my birthday is a computer,
What kind of computer?
any kind. I don't really care. And it's gonna be like a laptop, not like a full-on
Yeah.
$1,500 computer. It's gonna be more of a laptop. It's
I
still
have a
gonna be.
$12,000. I have a $1,200 dollar.
Yeah, no,
Computer.
I'm not gonna buy one of them like insane computers you see at like a middle school or at school, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be like those desktop computers. It's gonna be a laptop.
Yeah, I'm using a laptop right
So
now.
it's not gonna have as much data.
It's my Mac.
No. Yeah, it's gonna be like a Mac.
MacBook.
No, I'm not gonna get
it's
like
kind of
the.
MacBook. A MacBook.
No, I'm not gonna get a MacBook. I'm probably gonna get an Acer or. I hope I could just say this without getting like hit with copy. No, I could. I think I could.
I just took
Yeah, I'm
damage
gonna get
out of
something.
like nowhere because your game's kind of laggy.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get one of like the laptops.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what? I might actually. Never mind. I don't.
Yeah, dude, you should get a MacBook. Pro, not a Mac Pro. Like a MacBook, because they're pretty good.
Isn't that made by Apple, right?
It's made by Apple.
Yeah, no, I don't really like Apple.
You
I
don't.
even say it, but I do not. I mean, yeah, I'll probably when I get older, yeah, I'm probably gonna get one of the
Holy
iPhones.
crap. Okay. Anybody was like, I was like incredibly lagging out. Also, the Elgato, films, not films, like game captures in like HD, dude.
Yeah, I know that, dude. I have a friend that has Elgato. My other friend, though, my friend Rafe, he doesn't have a.
Dude, you need to look up.
I don't even know if
my
he's planning
channel
to get
and
one.
look at my videos. They're like super high quality, dude.
Yeah, apparently I need to like fix the TV because like if you have HD, right, my TV is full on like 1200. What is it?
Dude,
I forgot.
my dad, he bought a TV that was like $4,000.
Dude, my TV. Dude, if I lay down next to it, it's just so big compared to me. It's not bigger than me. Okay. One sec.
Dude. Yeah, dude, my dad bought like a super expensive TV. It's a 4K TV. So my videos show up on it like beautifully. I'm like, hallelujah. I said that super weirdly. Oh man, I failed.
Oh, I don't know. My TV is like you know the Roku TV, right? The TCL.
No.
This is actually it's a really good TV. Okay. The Roku, you're lucky because I'm like probably advertising you. When I get my YouTube channel hooked up, I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna be. It even has a game mode. Okay. Game mode. Advanced. If you go to advanced picture settings, it says game mode, and my game mode's off right now. It has more of it lag. Yeah, like. Wait, one sec.
Bruh, a chicken just laid an egg. I heard it. How many chicken eggs are there? One. Just one. Well, sometimes they lay an egg. Sometimes they lay an egg for like 5 to 10 minutes. Right? You are trying hard at this, dude. Like, seriously, like, hold on.
I know, because I'm trying to get my farm. Because when I get a chicken farm, that's going to be more food for me. I mean, I already know I got tons of food right now. You know, considering the fact that I have almost a stack of cooked pork chops. Because I got it from my beautifully awesome sword. It has Unbreaking 1. It has everything, basically everything one. Oh, and Fire Triple.
Oh, dude, you know you can get
8.
chicken, look, I just got 2.
Oh, yeah, dude, I know that, dude. That's what I've been doing. I've been doing that, like, yeah, when I get my YouTube channel fixed up, I can show out.
Did you have a dog over here?
Huh?
You have a dog over there.
Yeah, I know, it's my dog.
I know.
I told him to remember because we killed the chicken earlier.
Yeah, that was funny.
I'm surprised in how many chickens we had to kill in the process of making that
I know.
beautiful meat.
Yeah, if anyone's wondering, this is a baby chicken.
Dude, what if we were so rich on resources we could make any kind of farm we want? Like we just make a chicken farm next to a pig farm next to and they all ran automatically, okay?
Dude, guess
Like
what?
the
We just
like the
collected
cows
like a
automatically
crap load of,
breeded.
we just collected a crap load of seeds, right? All the chickens are now grown up.
Yeah, some of them are.
No, all of them are.
All of them are grown up?
Yeah, we just collected like a lot of.
Oh yeah, dude, I gave them both like 700 seeds, dude. I gave all of them like 700 seeds.
Okay.
We can breed them now.
Oh yeah.
Let me breed them.
Chickens.
I'm the master breeder.
Breed and breed. Okay, they're all breeding now.
Okay, we should get two extra chickens out of it. Baby chickens.
Yeah, and
okay,
then
we got
3
one.
and then 4. Okay, dude, I'm going to bed. No creepers.
Wait.
Going to bed, because I don't want no creepers right now. So he had
dude,
to fix
we only
his
got
wall.
one baby.
We did?
Yeah, we only got one. I need to find. Oh, okay, because these two can't. They'll never mind. They both have hearts. They just won't breed for some.
Because they're both male or both female. Duh.
No. Dude, no.
What do you mean?
Dude, Minecraft, it don't matter if they're both. No, it's because there's too many chickens in the world.
Oh, true. Ow. Crap. I just did something.
Oh, okay. Be right back. I'm gonna go check the other chicken farm, which is very low, very cheap, okay? Because I made it at the beginning, legitimately the very beginning of this world. That was like one of my first things in this world. My first thing that I ever made in this world was a house.
Oh, so guys, this is the other side of the world that he made, and I can't run. Okay.
Yep,
Oh crap! I almost just like literally jumped off because I'm looking at my other screen on my computer.
Yep, this watermelon farm is doing pretty good.
Oh god!
Oh
dude,
god!
I almost fell off.
God! God dang it! And make sure you do not pick that up.
I'm not. I'm just gonna take all of your experience.
No, I need that, dude. I need that to repair my sword. I seriously need that.
Oh, this sword?
Dude, I swear to God, if you picked up anything of mine, I will exit the game.
I did it.
Restart on our chicken farm. I'm not lying. We will restart on the chicken farm if I have to.
Wait, didn't you already save? I didn't pick up anything, dude. I'm watching
Nope.
it in case anything disappears.
God dang it, and I did it again.
Hurry up, dude. You only have 5 minutes until they disappear.
Dude, none of them's gonna disappear. It's fine, because it's been like a minute.
Oh, there goes all your carrots, dude.
They didn't disappear.
I know.
Fall for, dude. 5 minutes, okay. Not a minute and a half. Not 2 minutes. 5 minutes, okay. Even if I wanted to, that stuff wouldn't despawn. God, I almost did it again. I need to make a platform. Almost did that again.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I have problems with, like, suicidal stuff and everything. Like, my guy has suicidal problems.
You're so crazy.
No offense, okay? No offense to all the people out there. But, my guy in Minecraft. Here he is.
Oh, wait. We have to check on the chicken farm over here. I forgot that we were doing
Yeah, I know, that's what I was trying to do.
Yeah, but you, like, committed suicide. Okay.
Yeah, like 7 times, which is weird.
Okay,
Minecraft is one of the most...
We're coming up on 15 minutes.
Yep, 15-minute mark for this video. Yep, not that long, dude. 15 minutes. How much chicken pickaxe do you have?
I have one here.
Really, one?
There's one in there. Yeah, I'll go. I'll look. No, yeah, there's just one.
Oh yeah, 'cause there's a low amount of chickens.
Yeah, some of them escaped.
No,
I was like, bruh!
yeah.
Like,
Yep, I know.
bruh! So wait, what are those little pillars over there?
What little pillars?
Those like wooden pillars.
What do you mean?
Wait, come here. Near the chicken farm. Oh, I want to drop down there.
Hey.
Should I punch you down there like this?
No.
I'm just kidding. There's like
What wooden pillars?
there's like pillars over there.
Oh yeah, those pillars are for like landmarks in the land. Okay, like if I find something important, that I put landmarks, like giant, long.
What's this?
Oh, so I know. What?
This thing. This thing
Oh,
right here.
that used to be where my villager used to be.
You had a villager?
Yep, until I accidentally let another zombie villager in there so there would be two villagers.
Dude, I need some food.
They both died. Okay, here, I can give you some. Here.
That was like my last piece of food.
That's 10 right there.
Alright, thanks.
I'm not gonna lie, this is probably a pretty good world.
Yeah, but my amusement park's pretty good too. The thing is, I was all creative though.
Yeah, by the way, when this video's over, my gamer tag is Devin James 2004.
Yeah, dude, that's his gamer tag. If no one caught it, that's his gamer tag. Cause everyone can hear you even if you whisper.
Dude, just open up. Yeah, I know, laddie. Open up the menu real fast so I can see, or you can just put it in the comments.
Oh, there you go. There's his gamer tag.
Yeah, put it in the. Yep, in the description below. Also, I think.
It may be if I remember correctly.
How could you forget?
Because hi, I'm Dory. I suffer from short-term memory loss. I'm just kidding.
You're Dory? Your name's Dory?
No.
Oh, dude, my brother has short-term memory loss. Oh my god, I can't breed chickens. Yeah. They're not short-term. It's like he can literally remember something for like 5 minutes.
That's like short-term.
Like he'll be like, okay, remember this, okay, Jordan? And he'll be like, okay. 5 minutes later, I don't remember. Be like, bruh.
You just like write it down.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm too lazy to sometimes.
Oh,
Sounds funny.
buddy.
It's a long story. Sounds funny, but it's a very long story. Okay?
Wait.
It's called.
Isn't second
put
player
my
normally
hand up.
green? I'm red right now.
No, second players. Yeah, normally. No, second players is normally red.
No, it's green.
Oh yeah, that was because Danny was in the game.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay, now I know. Okay. Okay, hold on, wait. I'll be right back. Oh, I just have to do something. Okay. I'm back. Hello. I feel so lonely now.
Yeah, I'm here. Carrots.
Okay, this is our last trip to there, and then I'm ending the video.
What?
We're coming up on 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Something like what are we coming on? Yeah, 20 minutes.
Dude, I got 5 chickens. Wondering why? Because my chicken farm. Let's just say all the chickens are in a better
I'm
place.
teleporting items right now.
How? How will you tell? I found that one chicken that ran away, remember?
Yeah, no.
Well, I just found him and I just killed him.
What? Why the heck did you know? I chicken that we need?
Because of
Because
food. It's
of
about
what?
survival, bro. It's about food, man. It's all about the food.
Sure.
When this
No.
sword breaks, I will
Oh.
make a tombstone for my beautiful sword.
Okay.
I'll just repair it. I don't even know if I can.
Oh crap! Yes, I made the jump. I'm surprised no one's like interrupted this. Like joined the party.
Yep.
I'm so surprised. I've like 30 something friends because I'm so funny.
No. Oh, poor chicken. Just stuck in the wall. I found a lucky egg. Let's just say the chicken got stuck in the wall.
Wow, man.
Can you please move so I can breed? Got quite some chickens.
Nope. I'm trying to make this jump.
Wait.
Made it. I'm a so boss.
I'm more boss than you do. I mean, look at this. Look at the glow of this majestic sword. That's
Boy!
the glow. Dude, that gave me 1 heart. Watch this, okay? This gives you multiple hearts.
Bro, you just made me land on
Yeah.
your thing.
Yeah, just run, cause that's just how you are. Oh, dude, let's go check on the one farm, the one house down there.
Hello, I'm stuck. Help me, please. Help me. I don't have an axe. Help me, please. Help me.
Right here.
Oh. I knew that.
No, you didn't. Wait, I'm pretty sure you didn't.
No, I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, no one can see where we're going right now.
Wait, how come?
Okay. Okay, hello.
Get some air.
Hello, look, it's pretty good. I don't know where we are right now because we're somewhere.
In a secret base.
Yeah, we're in our underwater base, and look at this.
San Antonio, Texas. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, really? I was. Never mind.
NLD. No, I'm just kidding.
Hurry up, bruh! Help! I've fallen. I can't get back. I'm sorry. I'm just kidding.
No, it's I've McFallen. Oh, I've McFallen. Not gonna lie, that was a pretty funny video. Dude, that did 1. Okay, no, okay, just stop. You're about to kill me.
Yeah, exactly. It's called a crit. See, look. You jump and then you hit.
Okay, now leave me alone.
Okay,
Beautiful.
see, look. Now I have to edit this out. Is it nighttime already? Holy crap. Look up.
Holy crap, dude, it was just morning.
Bruh!
Dude, it was just morning, wasn't it?
No.
Dude,
Kill him.
Yeah, they hate fire, apparently. How am I trying to kill one with fire?
Yeah, dude, don't. Because then they teleport around. That's like the worst way to kill an Enderman.
Yeah, with fire. That's the best way.
No, because they keep on teleporting around and it's fucking zombie right here.
No, the best way to kill Enderman is use water, because they, like, insta-die. Like, insta-kill.
Yeah, if you,
Water is like our lava. Water to them is like lava to us.
Yeah, no.
Yeah?
Sort of. Not really, but okay.
Water for them is like lava for us.
If you say so.
Okay, to them, water is like lava.
I know, you said it like 5 million times.
Lava is like lava. Well, then don't correct me, or I can have every right to say it over and over and over.
Shut up. Holy crap, dude, you went flying, you went.
I bet I had to knock back 1, didn't it? Don't hit me. I have better armor than you.
But bruh, can't touch it. Can't touch this. Man, I'm pretty sure we get copyright for that because we're so good at singing. Right?
I don't know about you, but... Bruh, you took my egg.
No, I didn't. Like, they're still in there.
You took McFallen.
Shut up. Hey, just shut the heck up.
Off McFallen. Off McFallen. Not gonna lie, that was the best. It was
Okay,
just
so
the
I'm
best.
pretty sure we're finished with our chicken farm, right?
Yep.
Okay. Well, anyways, thanks guys for watching this video. If you
Hey,
watched it all the way
name
to the
this
end, because it
video
was kind of
The
boring
Chicken
for me.
Farm.
I'm just kidding.
Hey,
But
yeah,
this guy might be on the channel a lot, so if you see him again, just give him a shout out. Just say hashtag funnel cake
shout out.
because he likes funnel cake. Because he
Yeah,
told me that.
they're the best.
So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hashtag